TaskRabbit shows clients one price, but that number usually includes both your hourly rate and extra platform fees. That means what the client pays and what you earn are not the same thing. By the end of this, you'll understand how TaskRabbit fees work, what taskers actually keep, and how to price yourself without losing profit. Here's the simple answer. TaskRabbit charges both sides. Clients pay service fees. Taskers also pay platform fees through deducted earnings. That's the full picture. Start with the client side. When a client books a task, they see your hourly rate. But the checkout total is higher. That's because TaskRabbit adds service and trust-related fees. So if your rate is $40 an hour, the client may pay more than $40. This matters because higher final prices can affect booking decisions. A tasker charging too high may lose clicks. Now your side. Taskers don't keep 100% of the listed rate. TaskRabbit takes its cut before payout. So if you set $40 per hour, your actual take-home will be lower. That means your listed price should factor in fees. A lot of beginners price too low. They see $25 an hour and think it's solid. Then, after fees, fuel, and travel time, the real number can feel much smaller. Travel is the hidden cost. TaskRabbit usually doesn't pay for your commute. A 30-minute drive to a 1-hour task cuts your effective hourly rate hard. That's why many experienced taskers choose tighter work zones. Now, cancellations. TaskRabbit has cancellation policies that can sometimes protect taskers if a client cancels late. That matters because it reduces wasted time. But you still need to know the rules. Every category can work differently. Now, taxes. TaskRabbit does not withhold taxes like a regular employer. That means what lands in your bank is not your final profit. You need to save part of it. A lot of new taskers forget this. That creates problems later. So is it expensive? It depends. For clients, it's more expensive than just your listed rate. For taskers, it's profitable only if your pricing covers platform fees, travel, and time. Quick recap. TaskRabbit charges both buyers and workers. Your listed rate is not your final take-home. Travel costs matter more than most people expect. Your next step is simple. Calculate your real hourly rate before setting prices. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more platform breakdowns.